Hi guys, for today's video, another safety tips for this product. Divers are not allowed to exchange or share computer watches with each other. The diving information of the meter must be exactly the same as that of the original user. The internal information of the meter cannot be transferred to the diver who has not worn in all the way and cannot be used for subsequent diving. If the watch is left on the surface of the water and does not dive with the diver, the watch cannot provide accurate data for subsequent dives. Any diving that you do before you first turn on the meter can lead to misleading information. Be sure to personally confirm the oxygen concentration in each cylinder. Use an input into the computer table. Do not dive with a high oxygen cylinder if the contents of the cylinder cannot be personally identified. Failure to personally verify the contents of the cylinder and enter the correct oxygen concentration on the computer meter will result in incorrect diving plan data. See you on my next video.